what's up? So in this video I'm going to try out some Instagram Freckles filters. So let's go and check it out. So this is the first one, Unicorn Makeup. This is the creator Why Not Safe. You can go to their profile and you can get this filter from there. Okay, let's tap in the screen and there are effect. Okay, good one. Okay, let's go to the second one. This is Futuristic Freckles from FLXGS. Okay, looking good. Yeah, it's looking good, looking futuristic. Yeah, really nice. Okay, the third one, Sparkling Freckles. Okay, you can go to this creator profile and you can get this from there. Okay, there are different effects also. Okay, so check the next one, Freckles. Okay, it's a simple one, looking nice. Okay, screen effect is also there. Tap on the screen and you can see different effects. Okay, nice one. Okay, the creator is BDIM. Okay, you can go to their profile and you can get this filter, or all this filter I'll keep in my profile highlight. You can get it from there. So next one, this is Metallic Freckles. Okay, there is no screen effect in this one, and this is the creator is Alexandru. Okay, the next one, Star Freckles. Okay, screen effect is there. You tap on the screen and you can get the eyelashes. Okay, this is created by Sonia. Okay, next one. Yeah. Okay, here also little effect is there with the eyebrow. Okay, this is the creator. Yeah. Okay, the next one, phase 2. Okay, there is no effect. It's simple one, but very nice. This is by Kisa Beauty. This is by Alexander. Okay, this is by Alexandra Kisa. Okay, the next one by Dasa. Okay, there's no screen effect, but okay, it's nice. Okay, again by Dasa. Okay, this is with screen effect. You can touch in the screen and you can get different effects. And the last one, Cute Freckles by Mika. Okay, so all nice freckles are here. So guys, you can go to the creator profile and you can get this filter from there, or you can go to my Instagram profile and you can go to this highlight. So all the filters are here and I will be updating these highlights also. You can get other filters also here. So that's it guys, thanks for watching the video. See you in the next video.